Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, we already start our revision, that is the chapter number 3. Now we already completed our chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the revision number 4. Okay, in the revision number 4 we are uh, writing here match the column. This is the second match the column. Now start writing. Writing the number 1, Braille script. Now in the second number write brain. Now write on the number 3 cornea. Now write on the number 4 PA. PA. PILL, papillary. Now write on this side A, B, C and D number. Braille script, write here 1924. Now A, eyes. Bunch of taste buds. Master organ of our body. Look here student, what we write? This side braille script, number 2 brain, now number 3 cornea and number 4 papillary. Now this side, read carefully this side the option. Eyes, bunch of taste bud, C 1924, now D master organs. Is it clear? So match this. How you match? Through the line or write your answer this side. But here we use line for the matching. Okay? Braille script. How you match braille script? Read the this side sentences or options. Braille script, eyes, no. Bunches of taste bud, no. 1924, this is the correct option. One number match with C. Okay, brain. Read this side sentences. Eyes, bunch of taste bud. 1924, we already matched this. Now, how you match? Brain is the master organ of human body. Why we say the master organ of human body? Because it control all the functions and all the organs of our body. Now cornea. This is the internal part of our eyes. Okay. Cornea related to eyes. Now papillae is the last option is B. Bunch of taste bud. Okay. So this is the matching. This is the extra matching. One matching we already done in the CW and HW both. Now this is the extra. Okay. Now student, this is the question number 5. In this question what we write? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is the number 5? Fill in the blanks. Now write number 1. Identify different now blank space here. Number 2. Skin also help us to regulate our body. Now blank space here. What you feel here? Read the sentence carefully and fill the correct option here. Okay. What is the number 1? The tongue helps us to identify different which thing. What you feel here? Tongue help us to speak and identify the different kinds of taste. What we feel here? Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Okay. This is the option. Now, second, skin also help us to regulate our body. Which thing? Which thing? That is related to your body. Skin also cover our whole body. Our internal organ, bones, all the things our skin cover for us. And what is the another work also done for us? What is that? That is regulate our temperature, body temperature. Clear? This is the work of our skin. It protect our internal organ, or cover our body, and also regulate the temperature of our body. Clear? This is the number 2, 1 and 2. Once again I read for you. The tongue helps us to identify different taste. This is the option. Now second, skin also help us to regulate our body temperature. Student, when you read the fill in the blanks, you have to learn the spelling. Taste, okay. Now temperature. Sometimes if we give the fill in the blanks in the exam, so how you learn? You have to learn the spelling. Sometimes we have not give you any options. Okay? Means you read the sentence and think about the sentence, what is the meaning of sentence, and you fill the correct option. We never give you any options. I give you, it's okay. Okay? You read and choose the correct word and fill there. Okay, this is 1 and 2. Now write number 3. Number 3. The nose helps us to, what we feel here, what is the function of your nose? Think about that and feel here. The nose help us to write number 3. 4. The sense organ are the of blank space of our body. How do your sense organ working for you? Like a window. I give you several time example. If you want to see outside of your house, so you open the door or you use window. If you want to see the outside of the house, the same way if you want to know outer atmosphere, about the outer atmosphere and what happened in our environment, so through the sense organ you have to know about that. So our sense organ, the sense organs are the windows, like a window. It works for us. Like a windows of our body. Okay? Write number 5. Light enters the eyes through which part of your eyes when the light enter inside of your eyes? How? Which organ help them? That is the pupil. Through the pupil, lights enter in the inside of your eyes. Is it clear? Which part of your eyes help to enter the light in the eyes? Pupil. Through the pupil means light enter करती है आपकी आंखों में through the pupil. Pupil के through. Okay. Number 3. Once again, the nose help us to. What is the function of your nose? To smell. Now the sense organs are the windows of our body. Clear? Light enters the eyes through which part of your eye? Pupil. This is the number 3, 4 and 5. Now write number 6. Fill in the blanks number 6. Sixth number. All of us are born with different what we feel here, that is abilities. Ability means quality. Each and everybody have different quality. That is the God gifted. Okay. So what we feel here, abilities. Now number 7. We should proper care of our which organ? organ. We should take proper care of our which part? Sense organ. Okay, because if any part sense organ should be damaged, so we are facing so many problems. You think about it. If your ears not works properly, so can you hear any sound? No. If something happened with your eyes, so can you see anything? No. So be careful about it. Don't do any wrong thing that is affect to your sense organs. Okay? For that, I give you advice, don't see mobile or don't use mobile for a long time. If you want to see video, that time you use mobile. Okay, if you want to see your teacher's lecture or any writing, if you are doing any writing work, that time you have to use. Otherwise, it affect to your eyes. Clear? This thing affect to your eyes if you are using mobile long time. So it harmful for your eyes. Clear? Now, write the number 8. People with more melanin in their skin have which types of complexion? Means people, they have more melanin in their body. People with more melanin in their skin have which types of complexion? That is dark complexion. Means people those have in their skin more melanin, means ज़्यादा होता है melanin, तो उनका रंग कैसा होता है? Black. Okay? If less melanin present in your skin, so it give you fair color. Okay? Presence of melanin depend on your types of skin color. Clear? If the melanin more present in your skin, it give you dark color. If less more melanin present in your skin, it give you fair color. Okay? So this is the number 6, 7 and 8. What is we wrote in the number 6? All of us are born with different abilities. Now the 7 number, we should take proper care of our sense organs. Now people with more melanin in their skin have dark complexion. उनका रंग कैसा होता है? Dark. Now student, we write number 6, question number 6, that is the related to question answer. Okay, question answer of chapter number 3. Question number 6, that is the answer these question. Now what is the number 1? How does our nose help us? Now write the answer of this question 2 times. Student, we already wrote this question and their answer in the CW work. I am not writing here once again. Okay? Okay, I am writing for you. Right. Our nose helps us to breathe and identify different kinds of smell. This is the work of our. Now 2 times, second time write here. Learn the answer of this question and write at least 2 times. Now the number 2. What is the number 2? Question number 2. Name the, this is the extra question. Name the different parts of eyes. Name the different parts of eyes. This question related to the picture of eyes, na? You also practice that picture. You have to label the different parts of your eyes. You label na different parts of your eyes. You make a picture and label that. So you write the only name of the parts, that parts here. Okay. And this question I also give you in the worksheet. This is the number 1. I erase the number 1. Okay. And write the answer of number 2. I am writing here. Okay, different parts of your eyes. So start writing the name. Right, different parts of eyes are, start writing the name of the part, that is cornea, comma, right, iris, then retina, pupil, lens, macula, vitreous, and optic nerve. Optic nerves. These are the parts of your eyes. These are the internal parts of your eyes. Okay. Now write number 3. How do visually challenged people read? How do visually challenged people read? Write the answer of this question 2 times and learn that. Once I write for you. Okay? Visually challenged people use practice of touch to read and write. They use a special system known as the Braille script for reading. Now student, learn only 4 questions or 3 questions that is given in the textbook. Okay. Now here your revision finished. Chapter number 3, revision of the chapter number 3 finished here. We wrote all types of questions, true, false, match the column, answer in one word also, question answer. Okay, fill in the blanks. We completed all types of questions related to this chapter. Now here our revision number 4 finished, and we also finished our revision of our chapter number 3. So you learn all the question of this chapter for the examination. Clear? Now I finish my lecture here. You want anything, so make a call to me, and I also send you all the revision in our group. Okay? Bye bye.